Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews at Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2015 Mercedes ML350. This car has just over 101,000 miles. Look, illuminated emblem. Just over 101,000 miles, but by looking at it, you would not be able to tell. Tires are in great condition, brakes feel great, engine, transmission, everything feels just like it did on day one. Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, of course, your lumbar support. You have knee airbag, navigation system, just absolutely downhill stability recovery. That's downhill assist. Just absolutely gorgeous. One little quirk I've found is, you know, on those day-to-day commutes where the sun is like right here and this doesn't really take care of it, you have a secondary visor to completely block it in, except if it's right there. But that is pretty cool. I've seen a couple cars do this now, and that even slides out. Look at that. So you are completely covered in case, you know, there's two suns for a day. And don't worry, passenger has the same thing. So that's pretty cool to say the least. Oh wow, even this is carpeted. That's pretty darn cool. To open this, just opens right up. This is the only part that, oh no, that's a lightning adapter. Huh, I thought that was your typical 32, the old adapter. No, that's a lightning adapter. So there you go. That plugs in right there, and now you can hook your phone up. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. Props to the previous owner for buying that. Without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. Of course, NAV6. Spent time with it. Took it home last night. Obviously, drove it here this morning. Whew, it's warm in here. Can't find sync. There has to be a button somewhere in climate, whatever. I haven't spent time to try to figure it out. Engine, power deliveries, it's very, very linear. There is a good amount of torque down low, but to get peak power, it's up in the upper RPM. 7-speed automatic, good transmission, very smooth, shifts well, just cruising around, and even under full throttle acceleration, which we'll see shortly. Shifts pretty decently quick. Brake pedal feel very, very progressive. It's not immediate the second you touch the pedal, but you don't have to go very far to get the braking you need. Suspension, everything, it's a very comfortable ride. I haven't, in terms of noise, vibration, harshness, even though this car has 100,000 miles, there's nothing out of the ordinary. As you can tell, very, very quiet ride. What else is there to talk about that I've seen? I mean, this is a great highway cruiser. I mean, I was perfectly comfortable driving this thing home last night. And this thing has plenty of get up and go. You do have a kickdown mode in the throttle pedal. You'll press it and you'll feel a little bit of a notch. Push it even further and it drops into the lowest possible gear. I say lowest possible because it's not going to hurt itself. It's not that aggressive. In terms of steering feel, I actually do have a good amount of feedback. I can feel what the road's doing. That's especially helpful on days like this morning where you got a nice little icy coating on the roads. I can definitely feel when the front tires start to lose a bit of grip. However, it's not so intrusive that it gets tiring on the highway and you have to take your hands off because your hands are going numb. It's not like that. It's definitely a more relaxed steering feel, but you can still get the feedback you need. I don't know what that is. That a sub? Ooh, 9.3 cab? No, maybe even a 9.5. No, it's 9.3. I don't even think they made a 9.5 cab. Do have paddle shifters behind the wheel. I've used them. They're not bad at all. Wonder if this is like many other systems where you come to a stop. Yeah. Alright, it'll default right back to automatic. I haven't seemed to find a permanent manual mode, but again, I've only spent like 12 hours with this thing, so I haven't had time to dig through every single setting. So you can tell there, the transmission, even for a dated 2015 automatic, right where transmissions were starting to become good, this is a very smooth shifting 7-speed. I'm definitely impressed with it. There we go. It's a lens cap, which I thought I lost forever. I was using a sock to protect the camera lens. Yet don't even, I don't know. I don't know what I was thinking, to be honest with you guys. Yeah, overall, it's been a nice 24 hours or so with this car. More like 12 hours, but you know, take it one day and wake up with it the next. Whatever, counts as a day with the car. I'm definitely impressed, even though this thing has 100,000 miles. That is a weird penny color on that Lexus, but even though the car has 100,000 miles, it wouldn't deter me from buying it. This thing needed next to nothing in the shop. Just fixed a resealed valve cover gaskets. They were starting to leak, so we resealed them. Other than that, the car's ready to go. So that means it's ready for one of you guys to buy if you want. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.